Hello, welcome to the Metals Daily News brought to you by Metals Update. I am Neha Kamble from the Mumbai office on 5th of May 2017. The past three trading days have seen copper inventories held at the LME warehouse increase by 1 lakh and 975 tons or 39.81%. Total stocks of copper held now by the LME is 3,54,650 tons, a level last seen in December 2016. Price of 3-month copper forward 2 reached the 5,500 to $5,550 per ton range last traded in January 2017. The run up to $6,200 in mid-February 2017 had given the market hopes of prices heading higher to the $6,500 to $7,000 range. With prices having fallen by 9.22% from the highs, does that expectation still hold true? Chinese GDP is expected to grow at the rate of 6.5% in 2017, as per the work report published by the Chinese government on 3rd of May. IMF expects global GDP growth at 3.5%, while President Trump is working to boost infrastructure projects in US. During the period 2010-2015, when copper prices plummeted from $8,000 level to sub $4,500 levels, the market structure eventually turned to one of oversupply. International Copper Study Group report in April reported a surplus of 75,000 tons in January. Thus, our expectation for copper prices to make a base near the $5,200 to $5,300 range in the coming days, from where we would expect copper to be back to $6,000 to $6,200 range by the end of the year. Essar Steel signed a MOU with POSCO for the supply of flat steel products. Essar Steel will supply 1.1 million ton flat steel products during the ongoing fiscal, thereby fixing itself a specific amount of production through long-term agreements. Steel Ministry plans to utilize the excess land with the public sector units to make steel-making hubs. The hubs would be a joint venture between private parties and state-run firms. This entire activity would help the Steel Ministry to realize its goal to increase steelmaking capacity to 300 million tons from the now existing 124 million tons. Metals Update assessed the South African origin steam coal non-coking of grade 540 NCV offered at 5,900 rupees per ton FOB ex Haldia. Metals Update assessed offers for MS scrap from Mandi Gobindgarh being offered at Rs 21,500 per ton, decreased from yesterday's evening close by Rs 200. Fresh scrap is being offered at Rs 24,000 per ton. Offers of MS ingots at Mandi Gobindgarh decreased by 100 units from yesterday and were currently quoting at 28,700 rupees per ton. The offers for MS ingots at Raipur market were at Rs 24,500 per ton, while for Muzaffarnagar it was at Rs 27,600 per ton. Sources in the steel market anticipate uncertainty in the trade as GST will be implemented in July. Thus, trade is expected to be on the lower side till July, post which significant appreciation in trade and steel prices are being expected. Ingot offers at the Mandi Gobindgarh market are expected to fall further to Rs 28,000 per metric ton. In international offers, Manila origin HMS 1 and 2 scrap is being offered at $225 per metric ton on an FOB basis. Thank you for listening. Do join me again tomorrow for the latest updates from the metals market. Do visit metalsupdate.com for more information and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.